Hey guys, Kalila or Callie here, and welcome to another video. I'm doing something a little different on my channel that I haven't done before, okay? I'm going to be posting a video every single day. Oh my gosh, I know, crazy. It sounds crazy to even say because the thought of posting a YouTube video every single day is like, what the heck, burnout? But, okay, I already film every single day. I just happen to put everything in one video, but I'm going to intentionally film each part of what I'm doing every single day just to update you guys, because I am knitting and about to start knitting actually the halibut sweater by Caitlin Hunter. I'll put up a picture right here so you can see. This is going to be my main color, and this is going to be the halibut fish color. I am so excited. Kahila is already like 4 days in, so I'm behind with her. The needles that I'm going to use is Sorella Yarns needles. This is the case that it came in. I think it's like the knitting notebook or something. And I just switched out the needles for the replacement that she sent me. She sent me a replacement set because the first set of mine, the color was coming off of the tips of them, and it came off on my 5mm, my 4mm, my 3.5s, and it looked like I literally went like this and like shaved it off. Like, it's just me knitting, and that it turned silver. So I was just like, bro, these needles are like $150. Like, why are they literally peeling or whatever? They weren't even peeling. The color just disappeared. It didn't shave off. Like, there wasn't any residue on my projects. It literally just faded off as I was knitting with one project. So I got replacement set. Hopefully these are much better. If they're not, whatever, you know. So, but I wanted to use these because I was gonna use my I was gonna use my Cyprolica needles like my sister is doing, but I just used those needles, and I like to use different needles for every single project that I do. And yeah, so today is day one of me knitting on this halibut sweater. You guys will get an update every single day. I feel like that'll be fun for me, and you will see this a week after I've already cast it on. So I am starting on October 4th, and you'll be seeing this October 12th because I need time to actually edit 7 videos, because I'm gonna film a week's worth, edit them, and then schedule them. So I'll edit them in different batches, not all at once. That's crazy. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's start on the sweater. It is currently, well, I have knitted for an hour and 14 minutes so far. This is my progress. This blue is so good. I decided, since Kahila matches her, usually I don't like to match my row counter with my project, but this time I did. And I also have a little blue stitch marker. It's light blue, but yeah, so this is my collar so far. There are 2 different collars that you can do. You can do a turtleneck, you can do a mock neck, or you can do a crew neck. Turtleneck, absolutely not. Mock neck, no, because this is something that I want to wear often, and I'm not going to wear a mock neck often. That is too hot here for all of that, okay? And then a crew neck, yes but no. I'm gonna do a folded collar, so I'm not gonna leave it like this. I don't really like my collars to be just like non-folded, really. I did do a non-folded collar for my Salty Days because I felt like that went very well with it, and the cast on edge kind of looked rolled, which kind of made it look like a folded collar, but also it was such a lightweight type of lace weight sweater. lace sweater, that I was like, maybe not. But for this one, since it's such a nice, thick, squishy sweater, I'm like, let me do a folded collar. Even though the pattern does not call for it, I'm gonna do 3 inches and then I'm gonna fold it without putting any kind of fold, because when I do folds, when I do a line, let's say you do a purl round before you do the next section to fold it, the purl bumps, they just aren't that neat. And then when I do double knitting, that looks weird as well. So I'm just going to fold it without doing any kind of edging basically for the middle, and that's what I'm gonna do. But so far, so good. I haven't done 1x1 ribbing in a while, I feel like, so it's like, oh, this is actually going quicker than my 2x2. I have finished the collar today. I knitted for 4 hours, 17 minutes, and 29 seconds, and my needle stoppers just fell off. Hold on. Okay, I found them. It took forever. Anyway, I finished my collar. I am loving it so much because I want this collar to be something that, well, the sweater itself, to be something that I pull out often. And if it was a mock neck, I wouldn't pull it out like that. And if it was a turtleneck, I definitely wouldn't pull it out because I'm not a fan of turtlenecks. Yes, I just made one recently, but like I said, you always need a staple turtleneck in your wardrobe, okay? But a mock neck, it's just too hot here to just go about wearing a mock neck. This is perfect. So I did the knit round, that's before the increases. So tomorrow I will tackle all of those increases. I want to go to bed right now because it's 10:43 p.m. and typically I have started waking up around 5:15 a.m. to just have a nice morning meditation sesh. So I need to go to bed at a great time, which is right now, so that I can get some sleep. But you guys will see tomorrow more progress on this. This is so much fun, thinking about recording every single day on this, even like posting every single day. Like that sounds really fun. So you guys will see an update tomorrow, and I'm very excited to get to the coloring section. Oh my gosh. So anyway, day 1 done. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.